from this afternoon through Wednesday evening. Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Little Miami River at Spring Valley. From this afternoon to late Wednesday evening. At 11 feet, flooding impacts short areas of Middletown and Waynesville roads, in addition to Core 1 Road and Core 1 Park. Backwater flooding may impact Route 725 and Cigar Creek Township. Additional details, at 3 p.m. Tuesday the stage was 9.6 feet. Forecast. No graphical forecast is available for this location. However, the river will have a long and slow crest before falling below flood stage late Wednesday evening. Flood stage is 11 feet. Flood watch remains in effect through late tonight.